Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you how to edit from Windows Movie Maker. I already did a Filmora tutorial, so if you guys check that out, it'll be awesome. But I have Windows Movie Maker. So this is what Windows Movie Maker looks like. So I just grabbed a random video that I haven't edited yet. So this is what it looks like. So now I have an intro. So but if you don't have an intro, you can actually make one here just for now. So for example, you can do, you can do that one. So you can click this one here, which is auto movie themes. This is what you can do, and you can click with my movie is, and you can just do, you can do welcome to my channel, like that. Now you can make it big like that, well, not like that. And then over here is text tools format. This is where you can make it 72 like that. I think 72 is the largest one. And you can also change the color of the background. So if you click here, background, you can also change it to like purple, whatever you guys want to do. You can do impact like that. So now in this little part here, this is where the welcome to my channel, it's going to look, is there's the effects. So let's choose that one. So let's do a little preview. So we'll see, ta-da, welcome to my channel, and then the video starts. Hey guys! So this is the video start. This is how you make an intro. If you have one, if you have an intro, you can just put that on. But for now, we're gonna do that one. Okay, so for editing is super easy. So we're gonna start here again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate this beautiful, if you guys can see that. Okay, so if you don't like that part, what you can do is you can stop the video. You can right click and you can split like that. Now, if you don't feel like doing that, you can go to video tools and you can just put edit, and you can go ahead and do split here also. So we're going to play it again. Oh my goodness. My bad. I'm trying to fix the camera. Jeez. I had it flipped the other way. Okay. Okay, so that part was just me fixing the camera because it was falling. So if you don't like that part, you can click split, and you're going to right click on here, and you're just going to cut. I mean, not cut, remove. Sorry, remove. And now we're going to play it again. See that? I was fixing the camera. So there you go. So there you go. So you just remove the parts that are too slow, or you're just fixing your camera like I was. So you're going to keep going, and we're going to go here. Here also. So if you want it to be quick, you'd also do the same thing. Split, and then play the movie, play your video again where you want it to be fast. So for me, let's just say that I want it there, and you're going to click split again, and you're going to click here, and you're going to click video tools, and where it says speed, you're just going to speed it up. So 4x. So let's review it again. So there you go. Now if you don't like that little mice, like little rat voice, what you can do is go here, the video, and just lower it down. And if you want to put a nice little music, then you just click add music here, and we're just going to add just the music. We're just going to add this one. We're going to click open. Now here, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, which I really don't like. I really don't like Movie Maker that much, because the music starts in the first part of your video. So what you do is you click this, you click and you drag it to where you want your music. So mine is right here. So there you go. We have that. Okay, so after you're done with your music, you can click the music, double click, go here to video tools and edit, and go split. So you're splitting your music. So it's played again. Okay, hold on. This is, you can remove that. Now if it's too slow, you can move it to 64 or something, whatever you want to do. So let's play it again. You can also do 8. But if you do it lower, the music stops for some reason, because I think it's too fast. So we're going to do 2x, like that. Okay, so that's, you can do it more faster, but this is for example. So if you don't want the rest of the music to be playing, what you do is you line it up, you double click the music, and you can split the music, and you can click here and you can adjust the music like that. So there you go. So now you have music in the background when you're talking, but if you don't want music in the background, you can just mute it. So it is a lot of editing to do. So after that, you can add more videos to your movie, whatever you're doing. So now, to record, if you want to record narration, then you go here, record, and you record narration or add a sound. Or if you want to do like a webcam video, you can do that also. Animations are pretty fun too, because you can click here and you have yourself like that. This one is, you can zoom it in. So this one, zoom it in. Leave it like that. Just to zoom in, zoom out. Visual effects, you can change the color like that. See? This is your projects here also, the views, the edit tool where you can edit, and video stabilization, and options for the music. So after you're done with your video, if you want to add some captions, you can also have some captions here, like hello, or your social media links, whatever you want. In here you can just put it however it wants to enter, like that. You can just play with it and do all that sorts of fun stuff with it. Now for saving your video, what you're gonna do is, after you're done editing, you like how it looks, you gotta go here with save movie. So let's go to save movie, and you're gonna file name, and where it says save as type, you're gonna save it as a Windows Movie Video, like that, and it's going to appear, and you're gonna click save, and it's gonna start saving it, and then you can start uploading it to your YouTube channel or wherever you want to upload it. So you can also upload it from here. if you want to. I don't usually do that, but you can. So yeah, this is how you edit from Windows Movie Maker. It is completely different from Filmora. So I have these two just in case if Filmora is like acting up. I have a backup so I can edit. So yeah, so this is what Windows Movie Maker is. And it's super easy. First time, if you're a first time YouTuber and you're editing, you're having a hard time like I was when I became a YouTuber. I was having a hard time editing. It takes time, it takes patience. Just breathe in and out, relax, and I bet you're gonna be a pro at it. So this is how I am, a pro at editing. I love editing. So yeah, so this is what editing is all about. Just take your time, be patient, don't fast forward because it's not going to look good. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, so just a little announcement. Yesterday I did not go to my nutritious appointment because it got canceled, so I'm not going to have an update until next week. So I'm sorry for not having an update, but I will, and I will continue doing it. But just yesterday got canceled, so that kind of sucks, but you know, stuff happens. So yeah, so next week I will go, and I will keep you guys updated. So yeah, just don't get mad at me. I will go. So yeah, so don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you guys want to or not, I don't know, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.